Chapter 5 Food and Digestion. You will learn need of food, nutrients, balanced diet, process of digestion, effects of cooking, good eating habits, preservation of food, need of food. All living beings need food. It performs many roles in our body. We get energy from food, which is used to perform various activities. Food is essential for the growth and to stay alive. It protects us from diseases by fighting against various diseases and germs. Nutrients. There are special substances present in the food items, which are required by our body. These substances are called nutrients. There are 5 types of nutrients. They are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Let us know more about them. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. Sugar, potato, cereals, etc. are rich in carbohydrates. The carbohydrate-rich foods are commonly known as energy-giving foods. People who do a lot of physical work need more carbohydrates. Fats. Fats also provide us energy. They are stored in our body in the form of reserve food and used when our body requires. Fat-rich foods are oil, butter, nuts, etc. Proteins. Protein is very important for our body. Proteins help in growth and repair of the body. This is the reason protein-rich foods are called bodybuilding foods. Egg, fish, meat, cheese, pulses are the rich sources of protein. Vitamins and minerals. Our body requires vitamins and minerals in very small amount. They protect us from diseases and help in keeping us fit and healthy. Thus, vitamins and minerals are also called protective food. Water. Water is very important for us. It helps us in digestion and maintains the body temperature. You must drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Roughage. The fibrous part of the food is called roughage. It does not contain any nutrient but is very important part of our diet. It helps in digestion and clearing the stomach. Balanced diet. A diet that contains all types of nutrients in right quantities is called balanced diet. It is important for proper growth and functioning of our body. Balanced diet for a person depends on the age, health, and occupation of the person. Digestion of food. We need food to get energy. How do we get energy from food? What happens to the food that we eat? The food that we eat has to be broken down into simpler form. The process of breaking down of food into its simpler form inside the body is called digestion. This simpler food is then easily absorbed and used by the body. The process of digestion is completed in several steps. There are various organs in the body that are involved in the process of digestion. These organs together form digestive system. The process of digestion. The digestion starts in mouth. The food is first broken down in mouth into smaller pieces by chewing. There is a pair of salivary glands in the mouth which secrete a digestive juice called saliva. The chewed food is mixed with saliva. This makes the food soft and can be swallowed easily. Saliva also breaks down the starch into simpler substances. After swallowing the food from mouth, it passes through a long tube called food pipe. The food then reaches the stomach, which is a sac-like organ where food is churned. The stomach secretes the digestive juices, which breaks down proteins present in the food into simpler form. Food from stomach passes into a long, coiled tube called small intestine. The inside walls of small intestine produces digestive juice. The liver and pancreas also pour their juices in the small intestine. Here the food undergoes complete digestion. The digested food is almost like a liquid. The digested food from the intestine gets absorbed into the blood. The blood carries the digested food to all parts of the body. What happens to the undigested food? Undigested food passes into large intestine. Here, water is absorbed from the undigested food and semi-solid waste is thrown out through the opening called anus. Do you know, small intestine is really not small. It is 20 feet long. It is called small because of its small width. Effect of cooking on nutrients. Cooking plays an important role. There are many food items that cannot be eaten raw. Proper cooking has a lot of importance on our health. The heat of cooking kills germs that can cause diseases. Cooking makes the food soft, tasty, and easier to digest. It is important to cook the food in a proper manner. Otherwise, we may lose the nutrients present in the food. We must remember the following points at the time of cooking. Wash the vegetables before cutting in order to retain the nutrients. Use enough water for cooking instead of excess water. Avoid overcooking. Overcooking destroys nutrients present in the food. Good eating habits. Besides eating good food, it is important to follow proper eating habits too. You should follow a few healthy eating habits to stay fit and strong. Always remember, you should wash your hands before and after every meal. Rinse your mouth well after meals. Eat fresh vegetables and fruits and include them in your diet every day. Chew food well. Not swallow the food quickly. Eat well-cooked food. Eat a balanced diet. Drink plenty of water. Preservation of food. Storing and preserving the food in a proper way has a lot of effect on health. Thus, we need to preserve the food carefully. The process of treating food in a way that retains its value for a long time is called preservation. The food often gets spoiled due to heat, moisture, insects, and germs. The spoiled food can be detected by its foul smell and sometimes in change of color. Consuming spoiled food may lead to food poisoning. Preservation of food helps to protect it from getting spoiled. There are different methods of preservation of food. Methods of preservation of food. Heat and cold treatments. Food is preserved by boiling as it kills the germs. Milk is boiled at high temperature and then cooled. Freezing. Freezing food such as vegetables and meat products at very low temperature does not allow germs to grow. Adding salt and sugar. Sugar and salt are good preservatives. Pickles are made with lot of salt and jams. Jellies and squashes are preserved by sugar. Let us revise. Food is essential for the growth and to stay alive. Nutrients are the special substances present in food. The breakdown of food in the body is called digestion. Proper cooking has a lot of importance on our health. It is important to follow proper eating habits. Treating food in a way that retains its value for a long time is called preservation.